Panic in State House. Mnangagwa's Vatican dash to outrun Chiwenga. The 1st of September 2025. By Leslie Kane Banda. Harare, President Emerson Mnangagwa's sudden visit to the Vatican has stirred speculation across Zimbabwe's political landscape, with many questioning the urgency behind the trip and its deeper meaning. Mnangagwa, greeted on arrival in Rome by a junior priest, held private talks with Pope Leo XIV and senior Vatican officials in what observers say was more than just diplomatic routine. The hurried nature of the visit, uncharacteristic of state travel, has led analysts to suggest that the president was seeking more than political dialogue. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's recent trip to Italy has fueled these suspicions. While officially described as a medical and diplomatic visit, whispers in Harare suggest Chiwenga may have also engaged Catholic leaders, raising fears within State House that he could have secured spiritual goodwill abroad. In Zimbabwean politics, where ritual, faith, and power often intersect, such gestures carry symbolic weight. Mnangagwa's move is seen as a counter-strategy, an attempt to prevent being spiritually outflanked by his deputy. Former President Robert Mugabe set a precedent by cultivating ties with the Vatican, often drawing legitimacy from papal encounters despite strained relations with the West. Analysts believe Mnangagwa, aware of that history, may be seeking to reinforce his own claim to authority through similar channels. The Vatican visit is not just about Catholic diplomacy, it is about mystical capital, the intangible assets of power that come from being seen and blessed by global spiritual figures. A Harare-based political commentator noted, the development raises pressing questions. Did Mnangagwa fear Chiwenga had secured papal endorsement? Is the Pope now an unseen player in Zimbabwe's succession politics? Or is Mnangagwa simply repeating Mugabe's strategy of blending faith with politics to consolidate power? Whatever the truth, the Vatican dash underscores that in Zimbabwe, leadership battles are not only fought in parliament and party meetings, they are also waged on the spiritual stage.